Experiencing problems with AirTalk wireless verification codes? You're not alone. SMS and email code delivery issues, often stemming from carrier blocks or spam filters, are common, especially in rural areas with weaker cellular coverage. Multi-factor authentication, MFA failures can also occur due to app glitches, network timeouts, or outdated device software. First, ensure your registered phone number and email are active and correct. If issues persist, AirTalk's app version 4.8.2 or later includes automated retry mechanisms. If that doesn't work, try clearing the AirTalk wireless app cache. Go to your phone's settings, find apps, select AirTalk, then storage, and finally, clear cache. This removes temporary data that might be causing problems. If clearing the cache doesn't solve the issue, consider enabling backup authentication methods like authenticator apps to avoid SMS dependency. For persistent issues, especially if you're in a rural area, contact AirTalk support directly. As AirTalk continues to integrate biometric MFA and cloud-based verification, these issues should become less frequent. Remember, verification is a first-line defense, with trends favoring proactive user education over reactive fixes.